I'm Chiara Frigo, I'm Italian choreographer, and I was invited in 2012 to take part to Act Your Age project. I was first spending a research week in Italy, and then I deeply asked to have my residency and to develop my work in Cyprus. Act Your Age was for me the chance of starting a new and very rich chapter of my research that is focusing on the topic of entertainment, dance and performance about entertainment. And in Cyprus there was the first step of this research, and I had the chance to develop it with the amazing performer from Limassol, a group of people working with me for around a month, and this project was called West End. And that time we focused a lot on tapping, singing, and all the main characteristic of cabaret and vaudeville. I was then invited in Maastricht to develop a performance for a community and inside a ballroom. And so after those two very strong experiences, I'm going on with this research, and actually the research I started inside Act Your Age is developing with two projects. One is still West End, and it's more a show for theater, and this ballroom that is performance for young dancers, young performers, that develops in every kind of space, or urban or museum or installative space that is not the stage.
You can like the life you're living.
Or you can live the life you like. What if I get old? You don't care. What if I care?
This theme of exchange, I think it's becoming relevant and quite essential in my research. So it's something I'm really developing in this ballroom and West End project, that are two gifts that I bring with me from Act Your Age project. In Maastricht, I could experience a workshop I gave in elder homes, and the word exchange was something I really think is important for this project, because I remember also when I was in Cyprus there was such a big involvement of the community, but not only of dance community. It was a bigger story. It was an exchange between artists and society, and also inside the community.